Hi friends, welcome to Crypto Vulture Signals. Today, let's see the Bitcoin analysis. What is going to be our next update and how we are going to take our action in upcoming days with the crypto. So before that, I'm asking everybody to subscribe our channel and our Telegram community link has been given in the description. Try to follow that, and we have mentioned all our important exchange links. So if you like our content, follow them and don't forget to like this video and give your valuable session in comment section. So let's jump into the market analysis. So whenever we see the market right now, because of this US recent this fall is making crypto to move in a struggle. Why it is so much struggle? Because these tariffs, what is happening with stock market till today, it is has been falling down, and my expectation it will reach 5,000 points, and maybe there will be a retest chance will be there. Till that moment, crypto maybe it go into the consolidation or it will retest some important support. So first we need to see the total market. So what is happening with the total market? Basically, if you see till now, it is not even crossing the $3 trillion. This is the worst thing which is happening in the crypto industry right now. Why? Because from 2 years, this meme session, because of the Solana which has come up with this pumped out fund, this meme, this because of that, market has not taken the right liquidity. So all that important money has went into the pockets of some scammers who are creating all these kind of meme coins and they are trading. That money has been gone. That real liquidity never injected into the market. Basically, institutional investors are investing only in Bitcoin. That is the biggest drawback here. Because of that, automatically here the Bitcoin dominance is continuously rising. That is one important point we need to understand. Then the second important point, what is happening with altcoins? Because of these global issues, quantitative tightening till now, and the right liquidity which has come to the meme coins, which has to come to the market for the altcoins, there was liquidity has been diverted to total meme coins. So that was very biggest thing happened worst in this crypto industry after the in three cycles. This the fourth cycle. This was a very bad cycle according to me, and which is happening. So right now, what we can expect here, maybe the dominance can go till 66 or 71. How much it will go, it depends on totally economical macro factors. So what we can do now? What are our portfolio strategies and how we are going to deal? That other videos I will explain. In this video, let's see some important updates. So first, total market cap. If you see in a weekly time frame, the total market cap right now, RSI is trying to form a double bottom pattern. So whenever if it is formed this double pattern or it cross this 50, there will be a confirmation that yes, after here also one double bottom pattern will come. Yeah, it will start moving. For that confirmation, we are waiting. But coming to the daily time frame, it is still in a downtrend. Whenever RSI is moving below this neutral line, that is still in a downtrend. And if you take the moving averages, everything here now acting as a resistance. So here we need to understand the 50 moving average is also breaking the 200 moving average, which is bad for right now for the market. And once again, this 100 also need to cross. Then only we will see a proper stability in the market. And here, if you see the death cross also taking place in total market. What about the Bitcoin? Bitcoin death cross still not taking place. Till now, it has been just now it is coming here. So I am expecting market has to come down to retest that 76, 74, 72. That can be anything. It has to reset, retest the downside, and it need to come to this oversold area, and it need to form one bullish divergence. That will be the perfect thing. If it does not happen, there will be no proper volume. Why no proper volume? Because so much orders were staying here, they are waiting. So that new liquidity has to come into the market. But that liquidity is waiting here. So that once that liquidity is grabbed, then indirectly a new money entered into the market. Then only we can see market will bounce back. So that bounce back will decide how much it will go. Why? Because that bounce back has to be crossed 90,000 and 94,000 important support levels. So previously which the support levels, now they are acting as a resistance. So it need to cross that. So we need to understand with the Bitcoin right now it has to happen. Then what about the total market? If you see the total market, you take the moving averages. Right now it is breaking 100 moving average is breaking 200. Once it happened and it retested one of this any trend line, then only we will see the market started moving upwards. Then leaving the Bitcoin and Ethereum, what about the major part of the altcoins? They are also waiting for one more retest here. Once they retested, completed, then it will start moving. So right now, anytime if you see in trading, once the in daily time frame, moving averages has to cross all the lines. And here, if you observe how I drawn all these previous supports now acting as a resistance. So it has to retest any one of this area. This is the major area 77,000 and 74,000. This area has to be filled. Then only a proper liquidity bounce will come that can break all this resistance. Without that, it will never happen. Then what about the Ethereum? Many were holding Ethereum and they are waiting and they are praying. But what is the situation? We have in front of our situation only three things here. One is it has to go 1500, retest, come back, or from here it need to bounce. So everything will depend on 2 to 3 days. It has to survey the space or retest the place. Then it need to start the bounce. That is the important thing. Here we need to see. So don't ask about the all season. Why? Because already the old liquidity has been died because of these meme coins and this all meme pump.com are newly also Binance also created BSC chain meme coin creation. So these already liquidity has been died. So the fresh money has to come inside. So that fresh money will decide according to the US Fed rate cuts and how much they are going to next meeting. They will decide how much they will go with quantitative easing. Right now they started, but how much they will give some more in future. That liquidity, global liquidity, has to come into the crypto. Then only it will start moving upwards. Then what about the market stable dominance? If you see the right now, it is an important previous resistance which is retesting 2 times, but it not properly broken. But I am expecting if it break also, this trend line will be rejected. That will be the final thing. Or else here double top pattern will come. So these were the major things I am explaining from so many days. In Bitcoin, if you come 4 hour time frame, so we need to understand here RSI still it is not retesting oversold or overbought anything. So this oversold area region or overbought area region first it need to go. Then only we will see a possible trade here. So that possible trade can come in that moment only. So the same whenever this retest is completed, then only we will take a chance of high leverage or with a big position long trades. Then only we can enter. So here we need to understand when the market will bounce. So only we have 4 probabilities in front of us. The one probability once this stock market correction is finished, then once we start bouncing scene there, we can see the same thing with crypto. Or else rate cuts has to be happen. So there is no chance rate cut is going to take place before June. In June only there is a chance to take a rate. Once rate cut happen, new liquidity came into quantitative easing started, new liquidity came into the market that can push the market. So that will help more to the Ethereum. Once Ethereum got a liquidity, it's that new liquidity entered this market. When Ethereum started moving upwards, that upward target may be 2500 or 3800 or 5000. Moreover, that I am not expecting like $7,000, $10,000 right now with Ethereum. Why? Because something great has to happen with crypto industry. Then only that will take place. So be in a reality and practical mode. Do the trade. So in this week, wait for the confirmation. Don't fool for the Sunday, Saturday, Monday moves. Take the confirmation. After Tuesday morning, you decide the direction of the market. That will be the stable, because the Monday market will decide how the stock market is going to perform. Based on that, crypto again it will start reacting. So friends, be careful. Do the trading with a risk management. In future, we are trying to take a best strategy videos, management videos, and tips and tricks, trading course also in the free cost we will try to cover, and the best altcoin market, altcoin updates also we are going to give. So thanks for watching our videos. Try to subscribe our channel, and in the description we have provided the referral links from the exchanges. So if you like our content, try to support them. So stay tuned with Crypto Trader. Have a nice day. Signing off.